Hello, I am Nicolas Walter from Fette Compacting. We offer lab services to support your quality by design approach. We don't want to understand your machine and your process. We want to go beyond. We want to have a full understanding about your material and your requirements. Therefore, we first of all characterize your material properties in the lab. And with our know-how, we identify the critical material attributes of them. In the next step, we then perform trials together on a production machine with our application specialists to identify the critical process parameters and optimize the process even further. In the final instance, we analyze the tablet characteristics to identify also your critical quality attributes. And this all together, combining the CMAs, the CPPs and the CQAs, gives us the full picture on how to bring your process and your production to high efficiency and high quality all together. So feel free to reach out to us. We are happy in looking together with you into your process, your formulation, going through this journey to identify and bring the full potential.
Fette Compacting. Together for quality of life.